The idea of using edible plants to manufacture medicines is part of a research field known as Pharma-Plants or biofarming. Here, genetically modified plants are used to produce pharmaceutical substances. The core idea behind Pharma-Plants is to genetically modify them so they produce the desired therapeutic proteins or drugs in their tissues or fruits. By consuming these parts of the plant, the human body could absorb the pharmaceutical compounds and benefit from them. This technology offers potential advantages like lower production costs compared to traditional drug manufacturing in labs or factories. Plants can also produce complex proteins crucial for medical applications. Furthermore, Pharma-Plants could provide an alternative drug delivery method, especially for vaccines, where oral consumption might be a practical and cost-effective option. Research in the realm of Pharma-Plants has progressed in recent decades. Various approaches have been pursued to produce pharmaceutical substances in plants. This involves using genes from humans or other organisms introduced into the plant's genome to produce the desired proteins. Examples of pharmaceutical proteins produced in plants include antibodies, vaccines, hormones, and enzymes. A notable example of harnessing Pharma-Plants is the production of recombinant proteins in genetically modified corn or tobacco plants. These proteins can then be extracted and used for drug manufacture. There have also been efforts to produce vaccine-like proteins in plants such as bananas or tomatoes, allowing for easy oral administration, an idea popularized as the vaccine banana. Researchers, especially Henry Daniel from the University of Pennsylvania, are keenly exploring the idea of producing medicinal compounds in lettuce. One advantage of this method is the absence of human pathogens and the relatively simple, cost-effective production of large biomass amounts. After harvesting, the lettuce leaves are gently freeze-dried to remove water and packed into capsules. This freeze-dried lettuce powder can be stored at room temperature for years without diminishing the active compounds. The sturdy plant cell wall protects the active compounds from stomach acid, releasing them in the intestine where they can be absorbed by intestinal cells. This technique allows for the production of a wide range of proteins in lettuce. Some advanced clinical trials, such as treating peanut allergies with peanut antigens derived from lettuce leaves, are underway. Proteins to treat pulmonary hypertension in animals and a vaccine against lymphoma are also being tested. Although the concept of Pharma-Plants holds promise, challenges and concerns remain. A primary concern is unstable gene expression. Every part of a transgenic plant used as a vaccine, whether it's a tomato, corn cob, or lettuce leaf, needs to produce the exact amount of the desired active compound for this approach to succeed. However, all tests so far show varying dosages produced in plants, making accurate dosing impossible. Even when grown under homogeneous conditions in a lab, this inconsistency appears. This phenomenon's causes are thought to be rooted in positional effects and epigenetic phenomena, like the plant silencing the inserted genes. Another significant question revolves around the regulation and safety of genetically modified plants and their impacts on the environment and human health. Ensuring that the introduced genes don't have unintended effects on the plants, environment, or consumers is crucial. Thorough testing and evaluations are required to identify and mitigate potential risks. Overall, Pharma-Plants represent a promising technology with the potential to transform how we produce and consume medicines. Although further research and development are needed to address challenges, refine the technology, and ensure safety for humans and the environment, Pharma-Plants could significantly contribute to medical care and sustainable production in the future. However, the notion that governments and organizations might secretly administer vaccines through fruit remains an unimaginable horror scenario, highly illegal and against any laws. Instead, scientists working on this project aim to produce complex active ingredients cost-effectively to serve humanity. It will be exciting to see how this field evolves and what new applications and opportunities will arise. If you don't want to miss further videos about interesting scientific topics, subscribe to our channel and activate the bell to be notified when we publish new short videos. Thank you for watching.